Right, hello folks, it's me, Metalman873 here today. How are you all doing, by the way? I'm here to bring you a set of 3 short videos, just very quickly, which I'm going to quickly show you. Actually, just a very quick explanation of what this is about. Anyway, alongside doing YouTube videos, one of my other hobbies, which has developed in the last 4 years, has been researching and putting together family trees. So it's on Ancestry mainly, which I've been doing it actually. I've been doing my own family tree and also some others which I've been interested in as well. So yeah. Well, anyway, I just thought as an idea for some videos I could possibly give you some very short tutorials on how to create and put a family tree together and in the like. So yeah. Well, anyway, for this video I'm going to quickly show you how to create a new family tree, and also basically add in the home person and then add in people as you go along, basically. So yeah, anyway, this is the first tutorial of some tutorials which I'm going to put on. So yeah, well anyway, and this will fill videos 597 to 99. So yeah, but anyway, just for this occasion, since I've got it out, I'm using a old iPad Mini actually, which I've had for about 6 years, but just because it's out anyway. So yeah, here it is. Well, anyway, basically to do this, you go and start a new tree. Anyway, I'm not going to do my own family tree because anyway, that's private information to myself. So anyway, to start a new tree, if you haven't got one, it'll appear like this, and then and then add a home person. So I'm going to think of a name for a person. So I'm just going to type in, how about Paul Ray. That's a made up name actually, which I've had in my head for a while actually. And then basically you put your first and middle name in this box and last name in here. Select a gender. I'm sorry, camera focus. You can for either male, female, or deceased, or living deceased if they're alive or dead. And anyway, if they're living, you put in your place of birth and birthplace, and if deceased, birthplace and death place and date of death or birthplace if you want to help in the research. So yeah, but anyway, I'm going to make up a date of birth for him in this case, just for this example. So I'm going to put on 1975 in a place called Saltburn by the sea. So yep. And anyway, and then you can either add next to father or a mother. So I'm going to add a father's name. So basically, Paul Ray. Again, I'm going to put on 24th of November 1945 for a pretend date of birth for this, just for the examples of this family tree, and then save this. And then I don't know if you can see this, folks, but it says, here we go. The name of the tree, Ray Family Tree. Now with us to view this tree. Basically, if it's public, and if anybody wants to research this will allow him to help in the research. So I'm going to save the tree, and anyway, now we're into it. So here we go. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, folks, and another tutorial will be coming up in a moment.